Making ties. There are many ways to create ties for your sheaves. Twine is an option, or willow shoots can be looped and twisted. Both of these need to be cut off the sheaves though before threshing, and you'll need secateurs for the willow. In Haidu there are not many willows, and twine costs. Instead they create ropes from the stalks of the very grain they are harvesting. The whole community would make these first, while the plants were still damp with the morning dew and pliable. Note these were not just twisted as you would when you were creating a rope to gather together fodder for your horse. These ropes had to be strong and reliable. Here's the technique. You want to select tall plants. Pull up the entire plant including the root. Shake off the dirt and create 2 bunches. Cross the heads and then twist them once, twice, 3 times, poke it under and out. Now give the bottom half a twist. Let's see that again. The plaiting is just to hold the twist in place. You unplait before you place it. Let's look at it in a bit more detail.
Jobb kézzel megfogjuk, itt van úgy kötve, egyszer, kétszer és alá. Tehát akkor ez megy a honnola, így egyszer megtartjuk, mert ki akar esni. Akkor egy kicsit megtekerjük, és kétszer. Így először kétszer, igazsára, ki a feje fele, így legyen elég hosszú, így, még egyszer, azért, így, egyszer, kétszer, alá. Ez balkezekben van, ugye? Igen. De felhúzni az idáig. Fölfele, mert benne az rövidebb, akkor majd mikor a kébe kötő, nem tudja aládugni. Bácsi Lajos! Akkor megcsavarom. De balra megyek fel a húszat. Mindjárt megmutatom. Köszönöm, akkor az már. Úgy is jó, az jó. Úgy. És akkor alá. Ide. És úgy. Ez arról át. Ide. Jó, hagyom azt meg. Alá.
After they are made, they would be gathered into piles of 18. 18 would make a full carist. The ties need to be in the right place for the harvest. The tyer might go and get a bundle while his scyther is honing the scythe, or a child or other free person might have the job of ensuring the bundle of ties is close at hand. Let's get some more detail now on actually cutting the grain.
Város